Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the tag model and your account ID so steps match your device. Once done, turn the car off and remove the tag from its windshield mount. This makes inspection easier. Check the casing, battery label, and sensor window for cracks or corrosion, and note any water intrusion or loose parts. If you see obvious damage, photograph it for documentation. Make sure to have your phone, account login, and a small screwdriver or cleaning cloth ready before moving to reassembly. Next, clean electrical contacts and the battery area using an isopropyl wipe and allow it to dry completely. Dirt or oxidation often causes failures. Once dry, reseat or replace the battery following the manufacturer instructions or perform the device reset sequence. This clears configuration errors. After reassembly, use the provider's app or online tool to run a basic diagnostics check if available. Then test the tag by driving through a low-speed toll lane or using To finish, mount the tag at the exact height and angle specified by the provider. Adhesive pads or a manufacturer bracket ensure proper alignment. Once mounted, confirm the account shows the tag active and run one more drive-through test to verify consistent reads. If problems persist, contact support with photos, diagnostics, and recent test timestamps. Make sure to reference your account ID. As a troubleshooting tip, if the tag still fails, pay tolls manually and save receipts while you wait for replacement or tech service to avoid fines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.